Hello and welcome to Blockbuster review on Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest movies. Today we are going to review Insidious Part 6. Now the first Insidious film hit theatres back in 2011. Since then we've had 6 films. The latest is called Out of the Further, directed by Jacob Chase, and it's his first time in the franchise. Horror franchises like this are easy money for studios. 6 films that have made over $700 million at the box office, and that too on a combined budget of less than 1/10 of that. The math is pretty simple. The franchise has also pulled in some serious horror talent. James Wan, the guy who directed the Conjuring films, the first 2 of them, and then Oren Peli, who directed Paranormal Activity, has produced all these 6 films. Out of the Further goes deeper into, well, the further. By now you probably know what that is, but just in case you don't, one character puts it simply. The further is the dark void between this world and the next world. It's a limbo and kind of a purgatory. You belong to neither side, but you can still terrify the people who do. Only a select few can access it while they are still alive. The film barely connects to the previous ones. It's basically a fresh start, which is a good thing actually. The film opens in 1999 in Pittsburgh. Young Gemma lives with her mother, a woman who's clearly haunted by something, and tragedy strikes fast. Gemma's left on her own. She grows up to become a dental hygienist, played by Amelia Eve, who is now a single mom raising her daughter Maya. Well, dental hygienist is just a fancy version for a dentist. After her mother's death, Gemma still carries the trauma. She won't leave the childhood home. She won't touch her mother's things, and slowly it becomes clear this trauma isn't just hers, it is generational. It's only a matter of time before Gemma's connection to the further comes roaring back. Strange things start happening, and there's one standout sequence where she's trapped in a maze made entirely of sofa cushions, like backrooms. But somehow this one is much more claustrophobic. Then there's the creepy senior citizens loitering outside a house, definitely not normal and definitely connected to whatever is happening to Gemma, including one unforgettable moment at her workplace with an extreme close-up of someone's mouth and teeth, unlike anything you've seen before on the big screen. Now let's come to the mythology around the further. A lot of it is hard to take seriously. Gemma is a courier, like her mother, someone who can bring things back from the further. There are also travelers living in this realm, but don't worry too much about those details. Lin Shaye returns as Elise, the further expert present in every film in the franchise. This time, her mission is to trap Cyrus, who is a cult leader terrorizing both worlds. He has a huge following on Earth, and apparently he is just as popular in the further. There are lines like the spirits can smell your presence, and when one door closes in the further, another one opens. They may sound silly on paper, but they just about land. The film delivers real scares, not just jump scares. Gemma has also a boyfriend, though he's more of a plot device than a character. There's a real effort here, especially in the cinematography, to do something different, and for a while it works. But the back half slides into more familiar and predictable territory. Still, this is film number 6, and the fact that you're not bored and not checking your watch and not yawning through the runtime, that says something that Out of the Further is not such a bad film. I'm going to go with 3 out of 5 stars for the 6th film in the Insidious franchise. Well, that's what I thought of Insidious that was released this week, and do let us know what you think. And I'll be back with you soon with the review of Toxic that's releasing next week. Till then, it's goodbye from me.